In this video, I'll show you how to back up your Facebook photos so you can keep a copy of all your pictures safely on your device or another service. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Tap the menu icon in the corner of the screen, then scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, and after that tap Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look for the Account Center section and tap on it. Inside this section, tap Your Information and Permissions. Now select Download your information. Facebook will show you options for what data you want to download. Tap Select Types of Information, then choose Posts and Photos and Videos so your pictures are included in the backup. After selecting the data, tap Next and choose the download format and quality you prefer. Then tap Create File to start the request. Facebook will begin preparing a downloadable backup of your photos. This process may take some time depending on how many photos you have. Once the file is ready, you will receive a notification and can download the backup to your device. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.